Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome to another video. Today we have the unboxing of the Hoposo massage gun. So if we quickly have a quick look around the case, it has 30 speed limits, so ranging from 1 to 30, LCD screen for power on and off, and speed settings, along with a 2400 mAh battery. We will discuss more on that slightly later on, but let's start off with the unboxing. So when you take it off, you do have a plastic wrapper, and underneath that you have a protective case which holds your accessories and the massage gun itself. Quite a nice case. It has a carry handle so you can take it just like that anywhere you're traveling, and when we open it you can see a lot of accessory heads along with the massage gun that is wrapped up in plastic, and we also have a bit of protection at the top so when it travels it won't damage the actual product itself. When you open up the case, there is a card which states claim your free dock. Now when I read into it, it did mention you have to leave a positive review, email Hoposo, and they'll send it out to you via post. To be fair, I'm a bit skeptical about the positive reviews on Amazon now, but hey, I'm not bashing it. I'm still going to give it a go, and hopefully it'll be a good little massage gun. We also get a instruction leaflet on how to set up the gun, how to change the different attachments, and what each of the setting is all about. So before we get started with the massage gun, let's see what else is included in the box. So we get the charger to charge your massage gun. So I live in the UK, they have provided an adapter which is quite nice. So you have 6 massage heads to cater for different types of massage. We've got a round head, a taper head, a flat head, a U-shaped head, a thumb head, and a spade shaped head. Okay, so I'll go through some of them and give you an example of what each of the head does. So for the round head, it could be used for large muscle groups such as arms, backs, and hips. You've got the U-shaped head, so that can be used on your neck, your spine, and your Achilles tendon, and a few other heads such as a deep tissue massage. So the first thing I noticed when I picked up the massage gun is that it's quite hefty. It does feel quite strong and sturdy, but it's around 1 kilogram, so I don't know how my arms will fare after prolonged use of time. But the build quality does feel good, it feels sturdy, and there is also a rubberized grip where you will be holding the gun. On the back we have an LCD panel as well, and at the top we have cutout vents for heat dissipation. So if we look at the bottom, we've got a manual switch that turns the device on and off, which is quite good. You'll have a green LED indicator to show your charge, and then you have the LCD touch button to turn it on and off. So you can charge the massage gun at the bottom, you plug it in, leave it on for 4 hours for a full charge, and usage is around 6 to 8 hours depending on what speed setting you use it on. So if you use it on speed 30, you'll have 6 hours, and 8 hours on speed 1. At the top you have a large area for heat dissipation. Now I've used it for around 30 minutes continuously and it didn't overheat, it didn't turn off, it was still working perfectly fine. I just wanted to see how long it will last without it getting hot, and 30 minutes is a pretty good test in all fairness, because I think most people will use it in short bursts around 10-15 minutes at a time. The touch controls on the LCD panel are pretty responsive and very easy to the touch. Whilst you're using this, make sure you don't charge and use at the same time, because the spin rate is quite quick. It ranges from 1200 to 4800 RPM, and you don't want to get injured or cause any damage whilst it's plugged in. Also, because of the brushless motor, it is quite quiet and it maxes out around at 50 decibels. So it's actually a pretty quiet device for what it does. In terms of putting on the attachments and taking them off, is quite straightforward. You just put it on and make sure it's fit and locked into place. You won't hear any sort of click, but you'll know when it's housed in properly. And taking it off, I feel as if twisting it and pulling it out is the best method, but you do what suits you best. Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing and first look at the Hoposo massage gun. Predominantly it was purchased for my mum because she suffers some muscle pains, but anyone in the household will be using it if they've got any problems with pains and aches. And on first impressions, I do think it's quite good. It doesn't heat up either, and it seems like you can use it for a long amount of time. But I still need to get used to it. I need to find out what's the best method of massaging. For example, on some parts of the body, using the lower RPM might be slightly better. And if you want a fast massage or to pinpoint a certain area, maybe using it at a high RPM will be better for that muscle category. But I'll find all of that out after using it for a couple of weeks and really getting to know the device, and hopefully I'll bring out a review in the next couple of weeks or so. If I don't bring out a review, then please hit me up in the comments and say you are not a very good YouTuber because you don't live up to your words. Alright guys, so that's been a quick look at the Hoposo massage gun. If you're new to this channel, then do please consider subscribing for more tech content. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and as always, most important thing, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.